Today I'm doing a first impression of the Big City LipSense collection. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Victoria. I'm a professional makeup artist and business coach from Dallas, Texas. I review makeup and other lifestyle products so that you know how to invest your money wisely. Some are products that I retail, some are products from other brands, but I promise to always be 100% honest with you. We keep it real here, okay? My OG viewers know that, they can tell you. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I post twice a week here and I share makeup tutorials pretty regularly on my Instagram, so be sure you're following me there too. These are 4 limited edition shades that are really pretty and neutral and just in time for fall. I think these are gonna be wearable, that's the key word here. We've had a lot of bold shades lately, I feel like, so this will be a good balance. It's 3 colors and a gloss, and it comes in this gorgeous metallic bag. The shades in this collection are Big Apple, Manhattan Mauve, Broadway Bronze, and then the Brooklyn Gloss. I know that some of these were older shades that were retired a long time ago and they brought them back for this release, which is really cool. I want you guys to let me know in the comments if you've ever been to New York City. That's what all of these shades are named after if you're not familiar. I was an intern at Broadway Dance Center back when I was performing in 2013. My favorite thing I ever did in New York City was this show called Sleep No More. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it. It was on Gossip Girl back in the day, but it's like an immersive theater experience and a dance show. There's a lot of heavy dancing in it. It's just really cool. I don't even know how to explain it. Just Google it. It was amazing. All right, guys, let's jump into it. Keep watching to see my first impression of these 4 new gorgeous LipSense shades. So if you're new here, LipSense is an 18-hour waterproof lipstick. It's pretty hardcore. It is great for those of you who don't want your lipstick to come off on your teeth, on your kids, on your hubby, on your wifey, on whoever is around you, okay? You don't want lipstick on, you know, everything. Because if you're a lipstick person, you know the struggle. Of course, I'm gonna do the gloss first, you guys, because LipSense is hard to remove and it's gonna be hard to put on and take off multiple colors in a row. This is a labor of love. No one should do this. Don't do this. Don't wear 4 LipSense colors in a row. It's just a bad idea. Not good for your lips. It's a lot of exfoliation. But I do it for you. Okay, let's dive in. So, this shade looks to be really nude. It kind of reminds me of Madeline gloss. Let's just throw it on. Let's see what we think. Now, my lips are like really dry because I've been doing lip pictures every day. I didn't want to wait any longer to film this though, so we're just gonna go with it. And you guys aren't gonna judge me, right? Oh, that's really pretty. It's like very neutral. I love the new formula, you guys. It's so silky. I don't know if you guys heard, but they updated everything to be like paraben free. Ooh, okay, really pretty. Like great neutral shade. I approve. I would wear this like on the reg, on a daily basis. Really great color. Let me show you guys a close-up. This is perfect for anyone looking for a neutral gloss that is gonna go well over warm tones or cool tone colors, because this is very much in the middle. It reminds me of the Bella Matte gloss actually that recently came out a couple weeks ago. I'll link the video for you guys. It is a tinted matte gloss, and this seems to be like the glossy version of it, which I know several of you guys were asking me, are they gonna come out with a glossy version? And surprise, here's a glossy version of one of them. So we'll see about the other ones. All right, guys, let's move on to our first LipSense shade, Manhattan Mauve. So this shade looks to be very much like a neutral purple. It reminds me of Crystal Mauve, and it also reminds me of Sheerberry in that kind of like neutrally purple vein. It's not purple like Peacock, what is that called? The Peacock one that came out in the Tahitian, with Tahitian Pearl. I never did a review on that one because honestly I didn't like that collection. It was just gonna be bad. Let's put her on and see what we think. Very sheer. This is one layer. This goes on really nicely though. Definitely a sheer formula. This reminds me of Crystal Mauve. Ooh, okay. Really pretty. Really great everyday, like nude with that mauve hint. I'm into this. Let me throw some glossy gloss on top of it. You guys know we have to seal in our LipSense. I really like this one a lot. I feel like this is gonna look good on a lot of different skin tones. Really pretty. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Okay, here's your close-up. Now it is important to remember that I tend to pull dark on everything, so I'm assuming that these are not as dark on everyone else. I don't know just how my face is. I can't help it, you guys. I used to get like hate comments back in the day when I was like a baby distributor of people being like, that's not how that color looks. And I'm like, but it is. That is how it looks on me. So awkward. All right, guys, let's move on to color number 2, Broadway Bronze. This one looks to be like red-ish. Reminds me of Cocoa, which isn't like the best shade on me, but we'll see what happens. I'm keeping an open mind, you guys. So a lot of people ask me like how I actually remove all this LipSense, and I used to use the Neutrogena bar soap because it was the fastest, but I realized that Ooops remover is just like way more gentle than anything else out there. So I definitely recommend the Ooops for removal, especially if you need a quick solution. This is like kind of giving me glam doll vibes. It's going on really smoothly. Ooh, really pretty, actually. It like weirdly reminds me of Napa, or like one of those wine shades. This is definitely like slightly frosted. I wouldn't say it's like shimmery, but there's a subtle frost to it. Manhattan Mauve had a subtle frost to it too, but it's not like frosted. It's subtle, it's not glittery. I wonder if this is so much darker on me than everyone else. I love this though. It's like a burgundy brown red, at least on me. I can never be sure because things look slightly different on me. Wow. Wow. I really like this one, you guys. I'm actually shocked because I didn't really think I was gonna like it because it looks kind of bronze in the tube, and we know warm tones and me do not mix unless they're on my eyes. I like eyes, but not lips. Okay. I love this one, you guys. 10 out of 10. Really pretty. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'm shocked. I didn't think I was gonna like this one, but here we are. I keep surprising myself. Does this mean I'm evolving as a human? Let me show you a close-up. I feel like this is a lot darker on me than probably other people, but I really like it either way. All right, guys, let's move on to our last shade. I'm super excited for this one. This is Big Apple. It's like a frosty red tone, and it's gonna be so pretty. So let's put on Big Apple. This one's like a metallic red. You know I'm all about that red. Ooh, look how uneven I just made my lips. I'm already loving this. I feel like this is like a darker version of Caramel Apple, one of the kind of like pink shades, which is funny because this one also says apple. It very much has like that same finish. Obsessed. I love this shade, you guys. So pretty, so pretty. This is such a wearable red. Like for anyone out there that's like, oh, I can't wear reds, like this, you can wear this. This is not super bold. It reminds me of Fire and Ice. It reminds me of Caramel Apple, those like kind of OG colors that are really popular, really pretty across the board. Ooh, just I love it. I love it. Okay, let me put a gloss on top of it. Let me show you guys a close-up. This is hard. Definitely it's high for me. I thought Manhattan Mauve was gonna be my favorite, which I do like that one a lot, I will say. This, I actually love this whole collection. I can't decide. I love them all, honestly. Like, really great versatile shades. So pretty. I'm obsessed. I can't decide, you guys. This whole collection, 10 out of 10. Great collection. Really versatile. If you don't like frosted colors, you probably won't like this collection because all of them were a little frosty, but the gloss is clear, no shimmer or anything in it. Let me know what you guys think of this collection in the comments. They're all my favorite. I can't rank them. You can't make me do it. As always, you can shop from my website and get free shipping and a little gift from me as a thank you for shopping with me. Our viewer of the week is Hey Girl Hey. Thanks for being one of my amazing viewers. Make sure you guys go show some love down in the comments. I'm always looking for new products to review, so if there's any beauty products out there that you want to hear my opinion on or see demoed, let me know in the comments and I will put it on my to-do list. I'm also always looking for suggestions on makeup tutorials to share as well. If you guys haven't yet, go ahead and click my face down there to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up to say good job. And it helps support me and helps other people see my content. There's a link down in the description so you can shop my merch and shop my website. Do with that what you will. And click one of the videos to your right to keep watching my channel. Alright, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scout.